Hey, greetings and salutations, and Happy New Year to you. I know it's been a minute. There's a reason why you haven't seen any videos in the last couple of weeks, and one of the reasons is the weather isn't really cooperating. It's been, rainy. The first week of January was rainy. Last week was pretty good, so I got some stuff done. But now it's supposed to rain all week, so I am doing some work inside the bus. So let me give you an update on the bus. This is running, making heat. I think it's quiet. Oh way, it's so quiet. I came out here before I took the kids to school. I was warming up the Jeep, and I came out here and turned it on, and everything lit up, but I couldn't hear anything. And when it's on heat, it runs for like 30 seconds. The compressor comes on for like 30 seconds before the fan on the inside actually starts up, and I couldn't tell the thing was on. That's super quiet. So far it's doing a pretty good job. In the master it's a little chillier, but what do you expect? And then I installed these lights. I gotta pull these back out and put connectors on them, so there's gonna be a carpeted panel that goes on over top of this. So these gotta come back out, and I got connectors I need to install. And I gotta get some more of these lights, these little, oh, it shut off, it's 76 degrees in here. I gotta get more of those. Those are like $5 a piece, but they work really good, so I kind of get $100 more worth of LED lights. And then that's what I'm working on right now, is putting these LED circuits in. I gotta get this hard mounted in place. It's gotta come down one more time, and doing it solo is a pain in the ass. And right now I can't do a whole lot because I'm waiting for stuff. I got switches. I got a package of 10 12 volt rocker switches that are coming, and I guess they won't be here until February. It is what it is. But it's too hot in here. Too hot in there to wear a jacket. Well, I got a couple of gripes though. Let me come back to that, because I gotta go get the keys. I do a lot of buying on eBay, right? I buy a lot of stuff on eBay. Because I live in a rural area, and sometimes stuff's not easy to come by out here in the middle of BFA. But one of the things I bought recently is a stainless steel range hood, right? And it's an open box item. This particular model retails for around $100, or maybe a little more than $100, and I got it for $30 on eBay. Here's the problem that I have with this. This was advertised as a 24-inch range hood. In fact, the search criteria was 24-inch range hood. This came up. Does that look like a 24-inch range hood? The reason why I wanted a 24-inch range hood is because I built that cabinet for 24-inch range hood, and I gave myself a little extra 2.5 inches or so, almost 3 inches, to put in a filler panel there, right? So right now, if I go all the way to the wall, I need to add almost 3 inches. 2 3/4 inches I need to add. So I need to, fortunately these aren't glued together, just screwed together. So what I end up doing is remaking this upper cabinet and making it a 30-inch cabinet. And then this will get moved over 3 inches or whatever. My bad for not getting a straight poop from the seller. That really irritated me too. Thought about using that to replace the old range hood in the house, but the old range hood in the house is 6 inches tall. This one's 4 inches tall, which means that I would have to add tile, and I don't think I have any of that tile left, and it's, you know, stuff that I bought from Home Depot, and that was 3 years ago, and I'm sure they don't stock it anymore. Let's go look at the basement doors. I suffer from this acute disease called cheap-ass-itis, where I always look for the least expensive method of procuring materials and stuff like that. It's a curse. And I'm not saying that you shouldn't be looking for value. You should be. But sometimes things are not what they seem. Case in point. These are those little doors that I made for, yeah, these are the basement doors for the bus. So I talked about these in a previous video, and that's what they look like they're done. So I went to eBay, and I was looking for these locks. And I wanted at least 4 of them, preferably 5, so I could have the gas door and these basement doors all keyed alike. So I found a listing on eBay that called 5X, 5 times, keyed alike barrel locks. So I bought them. They came to my door, and wait, you know what? Ain't none of them keyed alike. And one of the 5 didn't work at all. So I was a little disgusted, and I thought, nah, I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet. And I didn't expect any response, so I sent the seller a message, said, you know, something to the fact of, you know, thanks for wasting my time. And they responded in Chinglish, and offered, I don't know what they offered. They say, you want we replace or you want refund? Says, you replace. Huh? You replace. So a week later, I get one lock to replace the one that didn't work, and it didn't work. You can see I have this one numbered number 1. This one's number 2, and on the other side is 3 and 4. And I have these keys all numbered, so I have to come in here and unlock these all individually. They're green on the inside because I don't want you to, you know, walk by and miss it if they're open. To open the doors, I made this key. I gotta adjust these yet. Key goes in. You open it up. You get the idea. And that's how that works. Oh Lord, it's starting to rain again. My fuel cell is painted red. That's 20 gallons. I originally bought that fuel cell for my 85 half-ton Chevy. I ended up scrapping that idea and just using the saddle tanks. Oh, I'll give you an update on the oil analysis. I got the oil analysis back. Oh, it's right around Thanksgiving I got the results of the oil analysis back. And it turns out there's no fuel or coolant or anything that's not supposed to be in the oil. However, the copper content of the oil is out of spec, or at least it's elevated. They pointed towards the turbocharger, and it'd probably be a good idea before I actually put this thing on the road to check the turbocharger for the shaft play and all that stuff. Yeah, everything's cool with the oil. There isn't anything in the oil that shouldn't be in there. There's no indications of excessive bearing wear, so the engine should be good to go. I still haven't figured out why there was 2.5 gallons of oil in the oil pan that shouldn't have been there, but I digress. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to wiring in some lights. Oh, might as well, while I'm here, I might as well grab those connectors. I might have to get some more. And so I'm gonna get back at that.
1 hour later.
There it is, all lit up. There it is without the kitchen. Come on, you can do it. There you go. So there'll be a light in each one of these empty bays all the way down, but these two on either side of the Emergency exit will be wired in this circuit, and then these three, 1, 2, 3, will be wired in this circuit. And then here in the bathroom, there'll be a one there and one there, possibly one here in the center bay here. And I've decided I'm going to put one in each one of the bunks. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. And then I haven't settled on how many I'm going to get over here. But if I order 20 more, that should be enough. So if you made it this far in this video, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, underneath this window is a little red button that says subscribe. And if you click on that, it'll change to a different color, apparently. And then right next to it is a notification bell. If you click that notification bell and then click the box, put a check in the box that says that you want to receive notifications from this channel. That way you'll be kept abreast of the happenings on this channel. Also, one of the things that you could do to help support this channel financially is to check the description. Go down and look in the description. There will probably be some sort of affiliate link. I've opened an Amazon affiliate account. If you see a product or a service on this video, or any other video for that matter, check the description. I may make a note of it during the video, but check the description. If it's something that you're interested in, click on that link and you can purchase that through my Amazon affiliate account. It doesn't increase the cost to you. You pay the same price no matter what. It just, I get a kickback and it helps the channel. And then if you could do that, I would greatly appreciate it. Share this video with your vast social media network if you're so inclined. If you got something to say, down there in the comment section, brah. Also, if you like this video, hammer away with the like button. If you thought it sucked, do the other thing. Either way is okay with me. And until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day.